The foods from the Mediterranean region use wonderful combinations of spices that add so much flavor to simple dishes. Since I'm never content to cook just one dish, I have learned how to adapt recipes so I can cook several of them in the oven at the same time. I always find this makes cooking much easier rather than juggling multiple pans on the cooktop. And cooking food in the oven leaves my hands free to prepare other elements of the meal, or just hang out and have a glass of wine. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate an easy, fast cooking meal of oven-baked chicken shawarma, baked falafel, and a rice pilaf with parsley and almonds. Now, I realize it might sound like a lot of food, but you'll see it all comes together very easily. And you can add some freshly baked pita bread or flatbread to round the meal out really nicely. You can, if you have time, make it yourself, but store-bought will work just as well. So these are the prep steps. To prepare the chicken, the first step is to combine all the spices for the chicken shawarma, and then combine them with the chicken, onion, lemon juice, and olive oil. A shawarma is normally sliced thinly and served in pita bread, but I'm serving my chicken with rice, so I'm cutting it into larger pieces. Once everything is combined, you'll set the chicken aside for about an hour while you prepare the falafel. So to make the falafel, and this is really the easy part, I'm using a mix from Trader Joe's. Once the mix is combined with water and oil, it just needs to stand for 30 minutes to an hour before you can cook it. Then I'm going to prep the ingredients for the rice pilaf. Now the pilaf can be cooked uncovered in the steam oven or covered in the convection oven simultaneously with the other dishes. So I'm first going to saute some sliced onion and garlic. I'm going to add the rice and toast it lightly, and then stir in some wine and heated stock. You can use chicken or vegetable stock. Add your salt and pepper and then cover the pilaf and place it in the oven. Now when the pilaf comes out of the oven, we're going to, and it's cooled down a little bit, then we're going to stir in a little bit of chopped parsley and some almonds. So when you are ready to cook the meal, first arrange the oven racks to accommodate the various pans you will be cooking with. Then heat the oven in the convection roast or convection bake mode at 350 degrees. You'll spread the chicken onto a rim baking sheet. You can line it with foil for easy cleanup if you like. Then you can form the falafel into about 2-inch balls using a scoop, or just shape them by hand, and then place them on a lightly oiled rim baking sheet. If you're cooking the rice in the oven, prepare the first step on the cooktop and then place the ingredients into an oven-safe pan and cover it with a lid. Now I'm using jasmine rice, which cooks fairly quickly, so I'm going to set the timer for 25 minutes, and everything should be done at that time. But you can always determine then if anything needs a little longer. I'm serving my Mediterranean feast with a simple salad of cucumbers, tomato, and parsley and olive oil. And I'm going to have a dish of tzatziki on the side, which tastes really good with the pita bread and all these flavors. So there you have a simple, flavorful feast from the Mediterranean. Again, great olive oil and lots of other healthy elements. This feast is amazing. So please like and subscribe.